Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create account on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. Tap on it. So when you download your Telegram app on your device, you will see this kind of interface. Tap on start messaging. Now enter your phone number and then tap on continue button. Now if your number is incorrect, then you can edit it simply tapping on edit button. As I have entered correct number, I will click on continue button. Now it will take some time. Now it will send you a code to your phone number. So when you enter your code, it will open this kind of interface. Tap on allow. So in this way you can create your Telegram account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.